Okay. Let's start. We're going to discuss the network access and management in lab exercises. Introduction. Welcome to the Network Access and Management Practice Lab. In this module, you will be provided with the instruction and devices needed to develop your hands-on skills. Network access management is a critical aspect of maintaining secure connection within a network infrastructure, with SSH or Secure Shell serving as a fundamental protocol for secure communication. Secure Shell ensures encrypted connection between the client and servers, preventing unauthorized access and safeguarding sensitive data transmission over untrusted networks. In this module, we will explore Secure Shell and the difference between unsecure and secure network access and management connection. The learning outcomes. In exercise 1, I'm going to learn unsecure connection. In exercise 2, secure connections. After completing this module, we should be able to use the copy command, utilize SFTP, and utilize SCP. Next time. Alam na natin ito. Kailangan nyo muna makita ito sa network. Sa unang page natin. Exercise 1 and secure connection. Unsecure network connection pose significant risk to data integrity and confidentiality. Without proper encryption and authentication mechanism, sensitive information transmitted over such connection is vulnerable to interception and manipulation by malicious actors. In this exercise, you will monitor an unsecure transfer of information and validate the vulnerability to confidentiality that unsecure connection pose. Learning outcomes. Use the copy command. Task 1. The Windows copy command is a built-in utility used to copy one or more files from one location to another. It allows users to duplicate files while preserving their attributes and can be executed via the command prompt or PowerShell. In this task, you will monitor the unsecure transfer of information via the copy command with PowerShell. Step 1, we're going to connect an ACID M01. Tayo pala natin ito. Sorry for your delay. Ito na, okay na. Na-connect na natin sa ACID M01. And the task bar, select File Explorer. Going to select File Explorer. Step 2, in the File Explorer, navigate to C. Asan yung C? Ito, local disk. Tapos, right click natin to. Tapos, new and new folder. Step 3. Nanayin natin to, share to In step After, in the File Explorer window, right-click onto the Share to folder and select Properties. Properties. Step 5. In the Share to Properties, select Sharing tab. Sharing tab. And then we're going to click Share. In the Network Access window, select Share. Going to select Share. Your folder share, you can email someone links to these shared items or copy and paste the links in another app. The Windows Network Share Protocol is a cyber message block or SMB. It facilitates file and paper sharing and enables users to access files, folders, and other resources on remote computers as if they were local, providing a mechanism for sharing data and resources across Windows-based networks. In the Network Access window, select the Shared Network Access window and select the Share folder and then Done. Nagano natin ito eh. Ito. Select Close. We're going to select Close. Connect to ASIWin 11. Going to connect to ASIWin 11. And then we're going to select File Explorer. In the File Explorer, navigate to nasa yung local network. And then select new folder. New, and then folder. Share from. Lah. Share from, then Net Plus, then module 1, right click on the bedding monkey, and then select copy. Copy natin. And then in the File Explorer window, navigate to Share from. Ito. And then paste. Paste na natin. In the taskbar, we're going to select Wireshark. Step 16, in Wireshark, double-click on the Ethernet adapter to start the packet capture. Both Wireshark will be used to capture and secure transfer of information via the copy command in SMB. And the taskbar, select File Explorer. In the File Explorer, highlight the file directory. File. Highlight directory. Path. Yan, CMD. kaya tayo mag-copy po. Copy C. Share from acid M01 share to, and then click enter. Oh! Sinend natin yung share from to share to. Okay. Ito kasi share. Yun pala yun. The Windows copy command is used to duplicate files or directory from one location to another within the Windows environment. Observe the command prompt output indicating the Baby Monkey JPG file was copied. In the taskbar, select Wireshark. Stop natin pag-captures ng packet. And then we're going to type SMD2. Click enter. Note, explore the info column and discover the general process that was used in the file transfer. 3. Connect, create request, get info, set info, write request, close request, 3. Disconnect request, and session log off. In Wireshark, click on the file menu, then select export objects, and then SMB. Ayun! Nakita natin. Wireshark export object features allows to extract file transferred over a network captured with Wireshark. These features enables the selective extraction of images, documents, executable, and other file types from captured network traffic. And then click save. Ayaw mag-click save. Ito, Wireshark, navigate to desktop, and then click save. Yan, naselect natin. Tama ba? Balik tayo. SMB. Tapos select the file name Baby Monkey JPG, and then we're going to click save, yun pala yun, and then click save, tama, In the Wireshark, close natin to. In the taskbar, select File Explorer. Desktop. This PC, desktop. Wala naman dito. Nandito siya. Saan ba yun? Yan, nandito siya. Baby monkey. Tapos, close File Explorer. And then, close Wireshark. Quit without saving. Sarado natin itong command prompt. Close the File Explorer. Sarado na natin. Next na tayo. Tapos na tayo dito sa ginawa natin. Ginawa natin yung nag-share from hanggang dun sa share to. Nag-transfer tayo ng file. Tapos, nakita natin kung paano natin na-transfer yung file gamit ang Wireshark. Yung Wireshark, pwede rin natin dun makuha yung file na transfer natin. Yun lang. Exercise 2, Secure Connections. Secure network connection are ensured through protocols like Secure Shell, which provides encrypted communication between clients and servers, preventing eavesdropping and unauthorized access. SFTP or SSH File Transfer Protocol extends the security to file transfer operation, allowing users to secure transfer files between hosts of the network. Additionally, SCP or Secure Copy Protocol provides a secure means of copying files between hosts, utilizing SSH for encryption and authentication to safeguard data integrity during transmission. SFTP and SCP utilize the SSH protocol over TCP port 22. In this exercise, you will utilize SFTP, SSH, and SCP. Learning outcomes is we should be able to utilize SFTP and utilize SCP. Task 1, utilize SFTP or Secure File Transfer Protocol. Provides a secure way to transfer file over a network. It utilizes SSH or Secure Shell to encrypt data during transmission, ensuring confidentiality and integrity of transferred protocol. In this task, you will utilize SFTP. Going to connect to ASIWIN 11. And then in the taskbar, select File Explorer. Step 2 in the File Explorer, navigate to share from. Right click on the new text document. New. Tapos text document. In the File Explorer window, type the following name my file. My file. Yan. Double click my file text. Bawal pa rin. Bawal mo naman ito. Bawal copy paste. And then click file and save. Save na natin. Close the my file. Notepad, window, and then in the taskbar, CMD, command prompt, and then we're going to type SFTP, ASI admin at 192.168.0.4. Note, the command SFTP initiates an SFTP session allowing the user ASI admin to securely connect to the 192.168.0.4 host for file transfer operation. And then we're going to enter yes. Yes. Accepting the key verifies the identity of the server and establishes a secure connection. The S character will not appear in the command prompt. And then the password. Ayan, nakakonect na tayo. Type natin ito sa command prompt. Share from myfile.txt. Tapos iba naman home ASI admin, then enter. No such file or directory. Maliraw. Yan. Share from ayun! Kailangan talagang ano. Okay. Note, SFTP commands include put for uploading files to a server, get for downloading files from a server, and is for listing file and repairs on the remote server. The SFTP prompt, type the following, exit, press enter, and then going to Kuya ASI admin at 192.168.0.4 password activate ito ls observe the my file and transfer na lang natin. Okay, yun pala yun. Ganun pala yun, guys. Kung paano mag-check. Close the command prompt. Close the file explorer. Task 2, utilize SCP or Secure Copy Protocol is used to securely transfer files over the SSH connection, maintaining data integrity and confidentiality. In this task, you will utilize SCP and validate its confidentiality. Connect to ASI Alma. Yan, connect tayo dyan. Password. Terminal. Select natin yung terminal. And then we're going to type sudo aduser Bernie. Password. Sudo pass Bernie. Changing password for user Bernie. Nagpalit tayo ng password. Password 123. Password 123. Yan na, okay na. Pamaliwan tayo kanina, pero tinanggap niya. Nag-revealan tayo ng yung terminal window, type the following, sudo usermod, AG with 1. The user AG will command in Linux is used to add the user to the wheel group, granting them sudo or super user privilege. This allows the user to execute administrative command with elevated permission using the sudo command. In the terminal, we're going to type sudo systemctl restart sshd. Note, the Linux SSHD or SSH daemon is a service responsible for securely providing remote access to a Linux system via the Secure Shell protocol. The service is established to ensure the new user is active. Connect tayo sa ASIWIN 11 and then we're going to type Wireshark. Ito yung net. Ay, dito. Ito yung net. CMD. SCP. Share. Chrome. Baby. Monkey.jpg. Learning at 192.168.0.4 home learning. Yeah, wala din na tayo. Note, this command measures a secure traffic operation transferring the file monkey.jpg from the local directory to remote directory hold Barney on the server with the IP address of 192.168.0.4 using the user account Barney over SSH. This command ensures encrypted transmission of the file, preserving its integrity during the transfer process. In the taskbar, select Wireshark. Taskbar. Select natin itong Wireshark. Stop natin pag-capture. Titingnan natin kung anong ginawa natin doon. SSH. Note in the upper panel where in the info column, observe the key exchange between 192.168.3 and 192.168.4. Additionally, discover that all packets are encrypted, ensuring confidentiality. Additionally, the expert object action does not include SSH. This is because the SSH packets are secure and cannot be opened by... okay. Hindi pala natin ma-open itong mga to. Kasi bawal. Okay. Hindi natin ma-open. Without saving. Yun pala yun. So, sarado natin yung command prompt. Asia Alma Teles Home Barney. This command failed because ASCII admin does not have the required permission to view the Barney home directory. Okay. Yun pala yun. Password. Anong password natin? Ano password natin? We're going to type ls home Barney. Observe that the baby monkey, okay. Yun pala yun. Close the terminal window. Tapos na tayo. Well done, you have completed the Network Access Management Practice Lab. In this module, you engage into distinct exercises aimed at exploring the essences of network connection. The first exercise highlighted unsecure connection, shedding light on potential vulnerabilities and risks associated with an insecure data transmission. The second exercise focused on establishing secure connection, emphasizing the importance of encryption and authentication in safeguarding sensitive information. We completed the exercise 1, unsecured connection, and exercise 2, secure connection. Now we should be able to use the cat command, utilize SFTP, and utilize SCP. And then we're done.